Hello guys, welcome. I was so hungry and I needed a quick rice recipe. So yeah, I'll add in the rice. That will be okay for 2 persons. I stir it. I normally add water to my rice and I like to rest for 5 minutes. So today I'm doing it like this. And now I'll wash my rice with cold water. So once my rice is clean, I'll set aside. So at this point it's clean, I'll set aside. I added in my pot, I added in some butter. So yeah, I'm adding in my hot water to my burger fish and my dried fish, and I added salt. So yeah, I added the rice and I will stir together for like 2 minutes. So yeah, I'll add in my mixed spices, curry, turmeric, paprika, powdered onion, garlic, ginger, nutmeg, white pepper. All the seasoning are intact, guys. So I will stir together until everything is properly mixed. So guys, this rice, it came out tastier than ever. So that is it, guys. I'll add in my leftover goat meat that I was having. I will stir together again. For my returnees, thank you for always returning. I see the like, the comments, and the share. God bless you for me. So I'll cover and I like to steam on the low for 5 minutes. So here is after 5 minutes. I added in my washed burger fish, dry fish, rosemary, bay leaf, onion, yellow, green pepper, and red bell pepper. So I will give it a quick stir. Follow me on all social platforms: Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Lady B Varieties is the name. So I tasted for salt. It needed some salt, so I added some salt. I stir, and now I'll cover and cook it well. So yeah, it is properly cooked, served. Look at that. Enjoy. Bye. See you.